Hello everyone, in this video I will talk about full funded scholarships in Denmark for international students. Here we will talk about Erasmus Mundus Master's Degree Program. Erasmus Mundus Scholarship Program 2023-2024 full funded program are open now. You can click here for master's degree program abroad. So scholarship sponsor is European Union and host institutions. They vary by program. Scholarship worth full cost and number of awardees are 8,000 plus. It's eligible for all nationalities. Eligibility criteria: you must have bachelor's degree or be in last year of bachelor studies. Graduate before the master program starts. You may also apply if you demonstrate bachelor's equivalent level of learning. This must be officially recognized according to national legislation and practices in the degree awarding country. Erasmus Mundus Scholarship offers full funded and cover the cost of students' participation in program, travel and living allowances. So it's a very good scholarship, has very huge amount of benefits. Application procedure: how to apply. If you are eligible and interested to apply Erasmus Mundus Scholarship Program, you can start find right program for you. To do that, proceed as follows: online catalog, and then each program has link to the website where you can get the description of the course, study list of the participating universities. Program website will also take you to all the steps of the application process. Okay, and here we can see catalog. Here you can filter about your country, okay, in which country you want to study and how many duration and in which university you want to study, and then search, and then you will see some list of programs available. For example, this is a program available in nuclear applications in these host institutions. Okay, so this program is available in these institutions. You can read more about that program, and for application you can just click here apply, and then you can read more about English proficiency certificate and criteria, documents, how to apply and everything. For English requirements, you can see you should have IELTS at least 6.0 and other English tests as well. You can take a look. And for criteria, academic excellence, and they have some motivation for intercultural experience and everything. You can take a look to these documents, and here we can see the completed and signed application, copy of transcript, copy of your degree, letter of recommendation, English proficiency certificate, copy of the passport information, recent photo. So this is how you can apply. The application is done online. You can take a look here, and then for application just you need to click here apply online, and then you can submit your application. If you will have any questions related to that scholarship, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video. Here you can register and log in and submit your application, or here you can see there are 2 scholarships, and click here apply now, and you need to first register and then log in and submit your application. If you will have any question regarding the application procedure, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you want to hear more about scholarship videos, then you can subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching the video. Take care. Bye.